Hi coders! Welcome to CS Time channel. In this video, I will talk about how to use linear search in Java. Stay tuned! Linear search. Linear search is the simple search algorithm and often called sequential search. In this type of searching, we simply traverse the list completely and match each element of the list with the item whose location is to be found. If the match found, then location of the item is returned. Otherwise, the algorithm returns null. Linear search is mostly used to search an unordered list in which the items are not sorted. Let's see this example. We have given array as follows, and then we have value to search, which is 3. For the given array here, we understand that the data is unordered. That's why to search 3, if it's in the list or not, we will need to use linear search technique. Let's see the visualization here. Each number in the given array occupied a certain index. The index starts from 0 up to 9 because in total we have 10 elements. So to search 3, if it's in the given array or not, we will start reading from the beginning of given array, which is given array 0, which is 6. So we will compare search to given array 0. If it's the same, then we will tell the user that the data found in index 0. Otherwise, we will continue reading the next index, and so on. So how the program look like? First, we initialize here found as false. We understand that we will read the given array start from the first index, which is index 0, up to the last index. There are 10 elements. So for this, we need to use for loop. After that, we will compare our search equal to the given index 0 or not. Then to do that, we will need if. So if search equal to given array 0 for the first time, then we will tell the user that the data is found. So we change the value of found to true. As soon as we find the data, then we will quit the looping. Why we want to quit the looping? Because we don't want to read all elements up to the last element. Once we quit the looping, then we need to check the value of found. If the value of found equal to true, then we will tell the user that the data is found, and then we tell the position. The position comes from the index. Otherwise, then we will tell that the data not found. To make it clear, let's see the tracing table here. So I initialize the search with 3 because that's the value that I'm looking for. And then found with false. And then the I start from 0 because we will start searching from index 0. And then we check now. 0 is in between 0 up to 9. The answer is true. Then we enter the looping. Now we need to check. Search, which is 3, equal to given array index 0, which is in this case 6. So search, which is 3, equal to 6. The answer is false. Since it is false, we will not enter the if condition. We will skip and then we go back to the looping. Now we get the next I. The next I is 1. 1 is in between 0 up to 9. It is true. Then we will enter the looping. And then we check again. Search, which is 3, equal to given array I, which is 1 is 3. So 3 equal to 3 is true. Since the answer is true, then we will enter the if. We enter the if. Now we will change the found to true. Our found now changed to true. As soon as we found it, we quit the looping by reading break instruction. So we will quit the looping and then we continue reading the next instruction after looping. Now we will check if found equal to true. In our found here is true, correct? So our if here is true, then this will be displayed. Data is found in I position. The I position is 1. So we are told by the program that the data found in I position. In this video, I'm using Eclipse as my IDE. And to save the time, I prepared the program, so I will just paste it here. Now let's see the program. I have the given array that I declare it as integer, and here is the element in the given array. And then I declare found as Boolean and I initialize it with false. And then I declare search with integer that I initialize it with 3. And then I have I that I declare it as integer. And then I need looping to start reading from the first, which is 0, and then we will stop at 9 because 9 less than 10. Once we enter the looping, we will compare whether our search, the value that we are searching, is in the given array or not. If it's true, then we will change the value of found to true, and then we quit the looping. Otherwise, we will keep on going back to the looping until end of the looping. Once we quit the looping, we need to check the value of found. If found equal to true, then we tell the user that data is found and tell the position of the index. Otherwise, tell that the data is not found. Now let's see the result. Okay. We are searching for 3 and then it says that data found in position 1. Here, 6 in index 0 and 3 is in 1, which is correct. Now let's change it to 8. Try again. Data found in 8. Now let's check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our 8 is in 8 position. So it's correct.
Well, if you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.